slow down. This isn't a race.
Backwards bump! Backwards bump and run! Backwards bump and run? You can't do that! Wait up, guys! I'm just gonna go in and drop off my school stuff. Hey, Mum! I'm home!
Ricky, I've got a surprise for you. You remember your cousin Dasher?
I do?
I just met him and he's my favourite.
It's okay if you don't remember. You were still in training wheels last time I saw you.
Oh, okay. Hi.
Dasher's here for the day. Maybe you could find something to do together.
Well, I don't know. I guess. Maybe.
You could show him the racetrack.
Oh, you race?
Oh, yeah! I race! So, you're Ricky's cousin?
Yep.
Is Dasher your real name? Because it's awesome!
It's more like a nickname.
Oh, excuse me, kids. Lots of book reports to mark. Oh, dear. Oh, come back here!
I got him! There you go, ma'am.
Oh, my. Oh, thank you very much, dear.
Can he be my cousin too?
Wow, Dasher!
So, this is your track, huh? I like it. Mind if I try it out?
Rev and roll! Boom! Go, Ricky! Go, Ricky! Go, Ricky!
Hey, you're pretty fast, cuz. I just had a little, I hit a rock or something, and there's a wet patch, and,
Your cousin is cool!
He sure is fast!
He's awesome!
Good race, Ricky.
Yeah, I would have done better, but there was a gust of wind.
Anybody want to see a wall wheelie?
Wow! Oh, I'm gonna get a picture!
Wow! It's easy once you get the hang of it.
How did you do that? How fast do you go?
Can you do it again?
Hey, guys, how about this one? What do you think? Pretty awesome, right? Ooh. Did that hurt? No! Want to see it again?
Hey, that was cool, Ricky. But maybe you can do it again later, after you guys showed me around town.
Yeah!
Oh. Are you okay, Ricky?
I'm great. Let's zoom out.
Okay, pizzas. It's just you and me.
Hello, Blip.
Hey, Ricky.
Is one of those pizzas for me?
Back
away. You're making a breeze.
I got this. I got them. I got them. I got them. Sorry, Blip. But that wasn't supposed to happen.
You okay, pizza guy?
I'm okay. I can tidy it up and see what's still good for dinner. Oh, there's mozzarella and anchovies. Behind the pepperoni and step past the anchovies.
Okay, catch you at the finish line, pizza guy.
Yeah. See you on the race wheel, Pizza Blip.
Good one, Ricky. What did that mean? You mean you don't know either?
To the backwards bump. It's backwards. And it's a bump.
Are you sure you're okay, Ricky? You're acting a little weird.
I'm just doing what Dash is doing.
Why? I mean, Dash is really cool and all, but...
Whoa! Whoa! Hey, whoa! I'm okay.
Watch this, Dasher. I'm really good at bike ball. Whoa! Huh? You can stop watching now.
I gotcha, Toot.
Yay, Dasher!
Keep your engines cool, little bikes.
Thanks, Dasher.
Oh.
Ricky, I think your cousin's stuck up there.
Dasher, what's wrong? I can't find a way down. I think I just found out I'm a little scared of heights.
I got this.
You do? How?
Wall wheel. I can't do it.
Hey, guys, any ideas? DJ, knock the building down!
Really?
We can't do that.
Aww.
Ricky, you gotta rescue him.
I tried. I can't do it.
You weren't trying to rescue Dasher. You were trying to be Dasher. Just be Ricky.
You're right. How would Ricky do this? Speed check! Spoiler up! Visor on! Gadgets, go! That's it! Time to zoom! Grappling hook, go! I'm coming, Dasher!
Am I glad to see you, cuz?
I'm gonna lower you down, okay?
Are you sure you know how?
I do this all the time.
I think you're my favourite cousin.
Bike buddies, go! DJ, bike boost!
Woohoo! Ricky!
gotta show me how you do that. It's awesome.
I'm pretty sure only Ricky can do that one.
Let's hear it for my cousin!
You're pretty fast.
So are you!
Go, Ricky! Go, Dasher!
Go, Ricky!
You're even faster than I thought.
Come on, bike buddies. Don't you know there's a race going on? Backwards bump and run! Backwards bump to run! You can't do that!
Not so fast, Professor Muffler Crunk. You may have gotten out of bike jail, but you'll never get away from Steel Awesome. Oops, he got away.
You can't run from Steel Awesome, Crunk.
Whatever, Steel Yawnsome.
That's Mr.
Steel Yawnsome to you.
Steel, please help me! Muffler Crunk, move backwards.
But I'm scared still. I can't.
Yes, you can, Crunk. With my Steel Awesome controller to help you, you can do anything. Muffler Crunk, move backwards.
Coming backwards.
My Steel Awesome controller's working like a charm. It's making Muffler Crunk do exactly what I command.
Thanks, Steel. And I promise my bad bike days are over.
So...
Ricky, what you doing?
you know, trying out one of Steel's, flips, trick kind of things.
Ooh, playing Steel Awesome? Can I play? I could do that too. Ooh! How was that?
Oh, not bad, Toot.
Come on, gang. Time to roll.
Let's go and play Steel Awesome with your buddies. Not so fast, Muffler Crunk.
Yeah, shouldn't you, go home with Mum and Dad? Me and my friends, we're gonna do cool bike stuff.
Cool bike stuff?
Come on, Toot. Let your brother have some time with his friends. You can play with him later.
Thanks, Mum. Gotta zoom. And then Steel was like, I'll use my Steel Awesome controller. And Muffler Crunk did exactly what Steel told him. No! Tell me everything. But don't give anything away. Yeah, but tell everything.
And then Muffler Crunk was like, my bad bike days are over. And Steel was like,
Toot, what are you doing here?
hello, I'm here to play Steel Awesome with you guys.
Toot, you heard what Mum said. We can play later.
This is later.
Even later than later. Okay?
Gotcha. Later. I could do later. Later is my speciality. I'm all about later.
Anyway, I was saying that Steel's controller is so fake.
A remote control that makes bikes do whatever you say? Give me a break.
Yeah, stuff like that in movies is just pretend, Ricky. I've known that since I was like 7.
How old are you now?
7. I guess you're right. But wouldn't it be cool if a gadget like that was real?
Actually,
What?
while you guys were talking, I did a search in a gadget database. I found a controller just like that.
Whoa! Scootio, listen to me. We have got to try to do this. It could change the world as we know it. Or at least give us something really cool to do this afternoon.
Like this?
Just hammer that on there. Good, that's it. I give you the bike controller.
Whoa!
And they said it could not be done.
Who said?
You did.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so who wants to be remote controlled?
Oh.
Really? Nobody wants to?
I can't even control myself, so I'm pretty sure nobody else could.
I'll do it.
Toot? You don't mind being remote controlled?
Does it mean I get to play Steel Awesome with you guys?
Well, yeah, but...
I'm your bike, Ricky. Bring it on.
Cool, Toot.
Awesome, Toot. Good for you. I know.
Okay, here it goes. Toot, roll backwards.
Am I doing it?
Roll backwards.
Oh, that remote control is a whole lot of remote and no control. Did I make it wrong?
No, you made it right. I guess it just doesn't work.
Oh, well, it was worth a try. See you later, Toot.
You're going, but... Ricky, wait. I think I had my parking brake on. Let's try again.
Toot, it's not...
Please?
Fine. Roll backwards.
Rolling backwards.
I did make it right.
It's working.
Unbelievable!
Unbelievable, it's right. I can't believe they believe it. I want to try. Roll fast. Rolling fast. Bring us DJ's bike ball, please. Getting bike ball. This is great. Can your sister play with us all the time, Ricky?
Yeah! Sure. Is that okay with you, Toot?
Yes! You know what? I'm hungry. Please get us some food. Getting food. Where's food? What food? Gotta be some food. Pizza! Getting pizza.
Where's she going? Toot!
I think she's gone to get pizzas.
Toot's only little. She's not allowed to ride into town all by herself. We've got to help her. Maybe the remote can stop her. Toot, stop! It's not working.
She must be too far away.
On the bright side, we might get a pizza. Lou, how can you think of pizza at a time like this?
How can you not? It's pizza. Which way is pizza?
I'm here! I'm gonna help!
We all are!
Yeah!
You can count on us bike buddies, Toot.
Come on down, Toot! Nice and easy!
I'm too scared! I can't!
We're right here to help you, Toot!
We might get pizza!
Woo!
What? The pizza place is right there!
I can't do it!
Yes, you can, Toot! With this remote! I mean, with your big brother to help you, you can do anything!
Spin your wheel!
Okay, here goes.
Come on, down a bit!
Yes! Look out!
What?
Toot!
Huh?
Don't tumble on those toppings! Are you all right?
I think so!
Come on! You can do it!
Huh?
Yes!
Whoa! That's it! Keep going! Slowly does it, Toot!
Go on!
Toot!
Well done, Toot!
Girl!
You did it, Toot. Thanks, Ricky. I shouldn't have tricked you.
Wait, so the remote controller didn't work?
Toot just wanted to play with us, and I should have let you. You're pretty cool after all.
Pretty cool! Did you see how she moved? Yeah, that was some extreme coolness. It would have been even cooler if you actually got the pizza. This is cool. You can play with us anytime, Toot.
Toot, eat pizza!
Eating pizza.
Come on, guys! Fantastic! Off the brakes and in the race! Let's do 3 more laps even faster! Yippee! Zoom-tastic!
Last one to do 3 laps is
Good pizzas. Nice pizzas. Work with me. We're all friends. No, no, no.
He needs help! I got him! Oh. They're empty.
Blip, did you forget to put the pizzas in the boxes again?
No, I'm just practicing. And also, yes, I forgot.
Practicing for what?
The Motorball Championship is on TV today. Everyone orders pizzas for the Motorball Championship. It's the perfect chance to break the record.
What record?
Most pizzas delivered in one day without a single one late. It's a feat of extreme speed and extreme skill and extreme, pizza.
Whoa! Who holds the record? Is that Dad?
Yep, that's me. And if anyone's gonna break my record, I always hoped it would be you, Blip. Pizza me, Papa Pizza! Hey up, pizza! Hey, hey! Ooh. Just let your wheels take the bumps and the pizzas balance themselves.
I don't think I'll ever be as good as you, Dad.
Sure you will, Blip. Even I wasn't good right away. It just takes practice. The more you do it, the better you get.
Hey! We can help you practice.
Really? You do that?
Leave it to us. Bike buddies?
Yeah!
Wheel it in!
Yes, wheel it in!
I am totally ready.
Do you have your pizzas?
Oh, I am not ready. I am totally ready.
Your first pizza is going to 17 Sparkplug Street.
Where's that? No, don't tell me. I'll figure it out. Sparkplug Street, 17.
It's your house.
Oh, yeah. Hey, I know a shortcut. On second thought, I'm taking the road. What do I do now?
Deliver the pizza.
But I live here.
It's for practice.
Pizza delivery, not for real, for practice.
Pizza, you say?
Loop?
Loop? Who is Loop? My name is Mr. Hungry. Where is the cheese pizza that I ordered for my hungriness?
Which one is it?
Now my pizza is late. I don't want cold pizza.
Mr. Hungry is Mr. Grumpy.
Here. Watch me. Here you go, Mr. Hungry. Just what you ordered.
I'll take it, I guess.
Sorry, Blip. I'm just pretending that Mr. Hungry is grumpy. Probably because his moustache is kind of itchy.
It's okay, Blip. That was just the first one. Come on, there are more.
Here they come.
If you're going to break your dad's record, you've got to be ready for anything.
I'm doing it! I'm doing it!
Oh, excuse me. I'm just helping my tiny baby trike across the road.
Baby want ice cream! I can't do it! They're in my way!
Here, watch. Like this. Got it?
No, not even a little.
You'll get better at it. You're practicing. Now come on, there's one more. You're supposed to deliver it to a house with a blue mailbox. But something's wrong.
This is the address, but there are no blue mailboxes. How can I deliver a pizza to nowhere?
Pizza delivery.
But the mailbox isn't blue.
Isn't it?
I didn't even see that.
And you're done. You're gonna win for sure. What's wrong? You delivered all the pizzas.
No, I didn't. You delivered them.
Oh, well, sort of.
I have to get back to work.
But the more you do it, the better you... Except I didn't let you do it at all.
Oh, Blip.
Look!
It's time for the Motorball Championship playoffs.
It's starting! Come on! Blip! The Motorball Championship is starting!
It doesn't matter. I'm never going to deliver enough pizzas to break Dad's record.
No! You can't give up now! Where's your first delivery?
Maxwell's service station.
Let's go! Here
I'm never going to break the record.
Well, you're not going to break it if you don't try. Pizza delivery.
My pizza?
I know. It's late.
In all my years of ordering pizzas, I don't think I've ever had one delivered so fast. Good job, Blip.
That went perfectly. Bike buddies, I've got pizzas to deliver. Who's with me?
Bike buddies and Blip, go!
Ricky, pizza me.
You're almost done. You just need to go to... Uh-oh. It's all the way across town. I don't think the roads are going to work this time.
Off-road?
It's the quickest way.
You're a scrambler bike, Blip. You can do this in your sleep.
Remember what your dad said. Let your wheels take the bumps and the pizzas balance themselves.
Bloody hell. Good pizzas, nice pizzas. There's no reason to fall.
I got 'em. Wait, no. The more you do it, the better you get. It's all you, Blip.
I'm doing it. Do you see me, Ricky? I'm doing it.
Yeah.
About time you guys showed up. Guess who just broke the record?
Zoom-tastic!
What do you think?
You really did it, Blip. A new pizza delivery record.
Oh, I knew you could. Like father, like son.
Well, I did have a little help from the bike buddies.
Couldn't they have got a better picture?
Oh, that's just my picture face. Ooh.
Good going, Big Brother.